Hi, my name is John Chorley, and welcome to this Spotlight review of Oracle Fusion SCM 24C. Today, I will be joined by some colleagues to share with you the amazing new capabilities we are delivering with Update 24C. It's going to be a lot, so hold on to your seats. It's going to be a fast and a fantastic ride. Let's start with a quick review of our ongoing guiding vision. First, we are leveraging the power of AI and of GenAI to make our supply chain solutions smarter, faster, and more responsive, letting you move from insights to decisions and to actions. We are elevating our user experience across the whole suite with Redwood, delivering consumer-grade plus user experiences which are a pleasure to use and which empower the user. We believe, too, that the strength of supply chains arises from how processes work together. So we are proud to be delivering the broadest and deepest supply chain solutions, one that connects processes across organizations and ecosystems. Sustainability is no longer optional, and the supply chain is where sustainability meets the real world. That is why we are building sustainability as an intrinsic part of our supply chain solutions. And all of this adds up to supporting transformation and flexibility to allow our customers to thrive in this dynamic world, to not just be resilient, but to be anti-fragile. Did I mention we were broad and deep? No other enterprise cloud solution can match this set of capabilities across every aspect of supply chain. Great in their own right, but greater together. It's the capabilities that emerge from deep functional connections between these areas that deliver our unique and differentiated value proposition. Let's look at that in a bit more detail. First, enhancing supply chain fundamentals. So, end-to-end visibility with deep functional integration across planning and execution, next-generation cloud, and pre-integrated and extensible SCM analytics. Then, supply chain resilience with demand sensing and segmentation analysis, multi-tier visibility with disruption response, and global trade management and logistics network modeling. Also, automation and efficiency with no training required consumer-grade user experience, built-in AI, decision support and process automation, and shop floor automation and robotic equipment integration. And also, supporting major business transformation initiatives like perfect order fulfillment with comprehensive planning and GOP fully linked to execution, flexible order orchestration and integrated logistics with comprehensive master data management across a consistent data model. Also, smart operations that we're going to hear a lot about shortly, which delivers a connected MES execution with SCM to rapidly respond to change, and a digital thread converging OT and IT with a digital twin plus AI to deliver insights. Also, revenue transformation with quote to cash for any mix of products and services, comprehensive revenue management, and full lifecycle asset tracking for service and reverse logistics. Now, first up, we are going to look at product management. As the next phase of further elevating our product management user experience with Redwood, the Items UI is enhanced with a Structures view. This allows you to quickly find item structures and view the exact information you want, and to easily navigate to the structure and its subassemblies using the data presence indicators on the component rows. This easy navigation allows you to efficiently traverse through any necessary validations, thus reducing overall change and NPI cycle times. Also in product management is another new Redwood user experience. This one uses a guided task process that allows you to perform a mass replacement of a component on one or more multiple item structures. The guided task process allows for consistency and accuracy when making updates across item structures. The quality of product data in healthcare is critical, yet it is very challenging to maintain. To better manage this process, we now support the import, enrichment, and cleansing of healthcare product data from a cleansed external healthcare catalog. This includes trading partner information, standardized codes, good ID information, product classifications, and product operational information. The result is cleaner product data, delivering better supply chain processes and improved patient outcomes. Now on to procurement, where we continue to make improvements using Redwood and in delivering impactful GenAI capabilities. A new Redwood user interface provides a powerful and efficient way to search for and find suppliers. The new UI uses an elastic-based smart search that supports searchable keywords across all suppliers with built-in fuzzy matching. Search results progressively narrow down using additional keywords and filters to quickly find the needed suppliers. Business rules are a powerful and pervasive capability in Redwood that allows you to make any page work the way you want it to. You can set default values, make fields required or optional, read-only or editable or hidden. All of these can be set up conditionally based on specific criteria such as country or business unit. Here we are using them in the Procurement Supplier Registration page, delivering a more intuitive user experience with lower support costs and higher quality. Here is another example of Redwood-guided journeys, this time with self-service procurement shopping flow, which now provides users with support and information in real time, eliminating the need for expensive and time-consuming help desk inquiries. Guided journeys enable multiple forms of assistance, including videos, links to web pages, and task lists, delivering a greatly improved experience for requesters. Okay, I know you were waiting for it, so here is yet more GenAI. In 24C, you can leverage GenAI to author the synopsis for sourcing negotiations. The AI Assist will generate the synopsis text based on the details entered in the draft negotiation. AI will also suggest additional context that you can edit and regenerate to explore different contents and formats until you find the one that fits your needs. Let's look now at innovations in 24C in supply chain planning, and in particular, in a cool new feature in demand management that illustrates another aspect of the new world of AI. Demand management comes packed already with a host of built-in AI and sophisticated mathematical algorithms. However, you may have a data scientist in your organization who wants to build their own forecasting machine learning models, or leverage some of the open AI models that are out there. With Update 24C, these internal data scientists can build and deploy these models in the OCI data science platform, and demand management can then seamlessly utilize them in the demand management process, just as if they were using any of the native forecasting models. Next up, and this is big, so all pay special attention now, smart operations. Oracle Smart Operations, otherwise known as SmartOps for manufacturing and maintenance, is a dramatically new way of empowering the operational aspects of your business. Our goal with our strategic Oracle SmartOps initiative is to eliminate the need for a separate MES or EAM system, separate systems which up until now may have been a necessary evil, but which add cost, complexity, and contribute to disconnection across the enterprise. Smart operations is not an Oracle term, but rather an emerging industry term for improving cross-enterprise connection, delivering digital insights, and driving automation for operational processes. However, Oracle is in the unique position to make smart operations real. Our industry-leading ERP and SCM cloud solutions for product-centric industries have been extended with purpose-built capabilities created specifically for the needs of the operational worker. Oracle Smart Operations includes new capabilities for the operator and their supervisors in both manufacturing and maintenance, and for their related automation equipment. This has been combined with our powerful technology for user experiences, all mobile and AI-enabled, and seamlessly connected to the rest of the enterprise, enabling us to deliver on the promise of SmartOps, a complete, connected, intelligent, and automated experience in ways that no point solution or other ERP vendor can match. To look at our first set of deliveries in our SmartOps strategic initiative, SmartOps for Manufacturing, over to Elaine Wan.
Hello, I'm Elaine Wan, Director of Product Strategy. Today's production operators spend a lot of time sifting through multiple screens and documentation. They are looking for valuable information to get started on and complete their work. The Operator Workbench provides a frictionless digital experience that enhances operational performance. Operators can focus on their manufacturing tasks with quick access to the information needed to efficiently perform those tasks. Let's take a look at the Operator Workbench, a new Redwood user experience optimized for frontline factory workers. Checking into the assigned workstation is quick and easy at the start of the shift. In this workstation view, there's knowledge sharing from an activity feed of the prior shift and instant access to reference materials for workstation equipment setup and safety. Getting started on work is as simple as scanning a barcode from the printed work order traveler. Relevant information presented to the operator in preparing for work saves considerable time and increases productivity for the task at hand. Clicking the Start button automatically tracks the time spent in executing the work order operation, so the operator can focus on the physical tasks. Reporting production is simplified with easy-to-see buttons to complete and reject quantities. Real-time visual progress tracking helps operators understand the remaining work and estimated time to completion. An operator can pause the timer at any time. Any production issue that disrupts work can also be reported directly from the workstation. This gets the supervisor's attention without going into another application. The operator can resume work easily and efficiently. Clicking the Done button automates the reporting of work completed and equipment and labor resource usage. This automation eliminates the risk of data entry errors that can happen in busy factory environments. Before checking out of the workstation, communication with the next operator is streamlined by using generative AI to assist with note-taking. This ensures a smooth transition between operators and increases employee engagement. The Operator Workbench supports working faster and smarter, removing any non-value-added manual activity. There's no switching back and forth between applications. As a result, operators improve workstation visibility, execution focus, operational performance, and productivity. This unified experience leverages information from relevant sources, all in one place and in real time. We've seen an initial set of capabilities with more to come in the future.
Thank you, Elaine. Now, SmartOps for Maintenance, and over to Kaushik Sivakumar.
Thank you, John. Hello, everyone. I'm Kaushik Sivakumar and responsible for Cloud Maintenance Product Strategy. I'm excited to share with you our new Maintenance Technician Workbench. Research shows that on-the-go access to asset information, work orders, and maintenance tasks is important. It's because of the changing profile of the workforce and their skill variability. So technicians should be able to navigate and use the system without extensive training to improve their efficiency. As part of the Smart Operations for Maintenance initiative, the new Technician Workbench uses Redwood User Experience to give maintenance technicians a responsive, mobile-friendly, and a consumer-grade experience to perform work execution. It's a single user interface for all the technician work execution tasks. We've used advanced technologies embedded to enhance execution performance, cross-functional coordination within a unified digital thread, and it enables technicians to focus on work execution tasks to improve their efficiency and productivity with the least amount of time being spent on the system. Let's look at the demo of some of the key capabilities. Our technician, Linda, navigates to My Maintenance Work application. You notice that her landing page is pre-filtered and presents her with assigned work orders sorted by date and priority. This saves her time, eliminates the need to search for work, and enables her to start her task quickly. She can customize a work queue with smart search and filter shifts. For example, real-time monitoring can allow the maintenance teams to react to work that may need immediate attention that may not have been assigned yet. She now sees an unassigned work order that she can work on while she's at this issue, so she assigns it to herself. This also ensures the supervisor is notified that the task has been picked up. While we're here, I wanted to highlight some aspects of responsiveness with Redwood User Experience. See how the tablet view looks, and now see how the same appears in a smartphone. The UI adjusts itself to the device where the application is being used, And this is true for all the UIs you will see in the workbench. Preview is meant for research before the technician engages in performing the work. The work order preview provides more details with the problem statement and other key information for the technician to review. She can see prior inspection notes on the work order. Here, she can review the notes from Patrick, who's performed an initial inspection of the issue. As she scrolls down the page, she can see more information about what the operations are, the status of the asset, and any associated documents like warranties. Reporting, that includes the materials used, tracking time, recording meter readings, reporting failures, has never been simpler. Our goal for the technician is to spend least amount of time on the system and more time turning the wrenches. In the Materials tab, Linda can view all the items on the work orders across the operations. Parts can be issued by simply scanning a barcode or a QR code using her device's camera, and she can of course issue an ad hoc item as needed. Easily enter the time taken in the Resources tab, record a mandatory meter in the Meters tab, and importantly, failure causes and resolution that would be essential to reliability analysis. And easily flag the operations as completed to notify the progress on the work. With this update, you can actually perform the operations in any sequence if the work orders allow it. In maintenance situations, this is especially helpful to schedule technicians based on their availability without constraining the sequence in which the work needs to be performed. In the Notes and Attachments tab, she can add notes for collaborating with her colleagues or write a turnover note for the next shift. An inbuilt generative AI can help her do this faster with relative ease. Linda is now ready to complete the work order, and this page provides a final review of the work order task now that shows completed. She can easily return to one of the previous steps to make any adjustments. The AI Assist button here leverages generative AI and reduces the time and effort traditionally required to create a maintenance summary manually. It helps create an effective repair summary using a reported problem, the causes discovered, the resolution, and it helps augment the knowledge base for future reference. She has the option to update the summary, and she can directly submit the work order. Well, I hope you enjoyed the demo. You've seen some of the benefits of smart operations for maintenance. The workbench supports working faster and smarter, removing any non-value-added manual activity. There's no switching back and forth between applications. And this unified experience leverages information from relevant sources all in one place in real time. In summary, it makes the technician efficient, which basically is focusing on the maintenance task as opposed to entering data in the system. Uses smart execution with capabilities like generative AI, and offers much greater capabilities like out-of-sequence execution, like notes, like attachments. Now, we continue to invest in this area, so look out for cooler improvements in the future. Thank you.
Thank you, Kaushik. That was amazing. Now let's look at an update in 24C Quality Management, which illustrates a cool combination of capabilities, that of using guided journeys together with GenAI, all designed to improve the user experience. Quality Management offers GenAI capabilities in the Create New Inspection UI through the Redwood Guided Journey user experience. When entering the inspection plan specifications, the quality engineer can now click on the Generate AI Suggestions button to get a list of proposed inspection characteristics based on data previously entered. The results are returned on successive draws, where the quality engineer reviews, edits, and confirms. The selected inspection characteristics are accepted into the inspection plan specification table. The use of Redwood Guided Journey together with GenAI will greatly improve the quality engineer's productivity. Now, mobile inventory, where we continue to add more capabilities. In 24C, mobile inventory now supports shipping flows. Users can scan or enter a shipment or order number, then review lines assigned to the shipment, pack the assigned lines, update shipment or line data, split shipment lines, assign or unassigned shipment lines to the shipment, and confirm the shipment, all from a mobile device. Now, Oracle Transportation Management, where new capabilities assist in carbon management. In OTM, there is a new functionality for calculating carbon tax for shipments, such as those now used in Canadian rail shipments. The system analyzes the shipping route, breaking it down into geographies, then applies geography-specific carbon tax rates to calculate the tax values. Customers are now able to automate the process with agent workflows. This capability helps customers estimate their emissions responsibilities and process carbon tax on freight invoices. In Update 24C, we've made improvements to Oracle pricing to simplify the definition of pricing rules. We have created a new pricing rule builder that allows you to define eligibility conditions for a promotional discount based on predefined customer and item-related attributes. You can also model your most complex eligibility rules that match values in or across condition groups and rules that exclude customers or items from receiving the promotional discount. There are many more innovations in Update 24C, so get ready to do a screen capture, for coming up is a long list. Let me highlight just a few. Specialist barcode support for healthcare, support for multiple outputs and operation yield in manufacturing costing and planning, repair-to-stock support in depot repair flows, enhanced claims support in channel revenue management, a new transportation sourcing workbench, item-driven cycle counting in WMS, enhancements to UOM and packing string support, planning and scheduling support for minimum transfer quantity, and many, many more. Let's now take a sneak peek at what's coming for Redwood Order Management with a GA target of 24D. We've been busy, very busy, developing a completely new order management experience in Redwood. You will be able to use the new unified search to find orders and order lines using keywords, filters, and saved searches. You can select lines from the search results and perform mass actions such as cancel, submit, and reprice. In addition, creation and revision of orders is now streamlined to allow you to enter minimal header information and enter orders in line, including extensible attributes or EFFs, to get a basic order created very quickly. Access to additional information required to complete the order is easily accessible, and of course, all of this also supports business rules and guided journeys to help configure the flow into multiple shapes to match your different and specific needs. There are many more features in Update 24C, so for more information, use these links or the QR code. My name is John Chorley. Thank you so much for your time today.